everybody. My wife and I recently visited the Portland, Oregon area, and we were in the suburb of Oswego Lake, which is here in the southern suburbs of the city. And we took a short drive from the Lake Forest area to a park called George Rogers Park on the Willamette River. So we just recorded the drive. It goes not the shortest route because I think there was a traffic stop on the most direct route that day, but we recorded it and we hope you enjoy.